Hello everyone. So if you want to change the time on your Xiaomi Watch S3, first of all we need to change the time on our phone. So that's how it does. Now open up the settings on the phone which your watch are connected to. Scroll down to your general management, find your date and time, turn off your automatic dated time by tapping on the switch. Now press set time, and for example let's set it on 8:56 p.m. right, and as you see our watch time immediately changed. Let's try to set it on, I don't know, let's set it on 9:56, and as you see it's changed again. If we put back automatic time, it will once again immediately change. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.